These hands of mine, defining the diversity within our country, the diversity within our homes, the diversity within our schools. They consist of 10 fingers, but I would like to make an example of 5 fingers, which defines different shapes, different sizes, and yet these sizes of these 5 fingers, they are so good because in combination they connect and do the same thing. They might look the same by color, they might not look the same by length and size, but yet when the one is not there, you can recognize because neither of these could represent that one, and neither of these can show the purpose of this one. Each one of these is so good because it has its own purpose. It's just like us human beings. One point from another, one size from another, one race color from another, one tradition from another, one part of your life from another, from an educated to an uneducated, from an agriculture to an urban, from rural to richness, but yet in combination we are all connected. We all do the same things. We all love our country and we all support and help each other. These hands, they touch newborn babies and yet they touch those in death. These are the creation of all unity which defines Ubuntu. All 5 are all in connection, and through this connection I say I thank you and celebrate it very much that I have this